Is it possible to download it on my cell phone and use a laptop to write? Yes. The main purpose of that thing then is to take pictures. So they might request to take you to take a picture of yourself. It's a selfie, whereby you have to use the front camera. And then the other thing that they will request you is to take a picture of your driving license or your ID. Your ID. It's either you have a smart card or you have that one of a book. And then the other thing that they also request is to see where you are writing. If maybe you are writing, you like to write it down first and then edit it down first and then you can type it, it's still fine. But they want to see where you are writing it. But if you don't want to to write it down and then later type it, you just go straight to your Word app. You just only take a picture of the last part that you just typed, and then everything's okay. So I prefer that a person should use a cell phone. You can even find it in your laptop this day, Invigilator app. But the disadvantages of using a laptop is this. If they were to say that, take a picture of where you're writing, it's going to be a chaos. Because they give you 30 seconds to comply. If you fail to, then they give you a red flag. And if you get multiple red flags, so which means that you might not be able to graduate on time, or maybe your results are going to be held until the matter has been resolved. And most of the time, the matter is not resolved in the student's favor. They would say that, yeah, you were cheating and stuff like that. Hey, wara. Why didn't you comply with the exam regulations and stuff like that? So to be on a good side, use a cell phone. And then please make sure that if it is an Android, please make sure that it is Android version 9. Android version 9 going up. Those are the versions which sometimes they will not give you a problem if you are using the app. But if it's less, just know that you might encounter some certain problems with registering it, or maybe when you are about to use this thing, then it gives you a problem. So to answer you shortly, yes, I prefer that method.